Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we're working on a 13 Honda Accord Coupe. I've made a video on how to take the rear left taillight out. Now I'm going to show you guys how to take the rear right taillight out. Okay, simple, take you 5 minutes, shouldn't take you longer than that. These clips have a little opening right here. You just pop them, they'll come out. 1, 2. Okay, and then this piece, if you can just lift up on it from wherever you can get your hands on, clip it, whatever. I've already taken it off. It's got 4 green clips. It pops off, and then I'll show you guys how to put this back on. This is tricky on the other side. It's got 2 landings on each side. Just get in here and just push, or you can do it with this too. This works as well. Peel this back. Look at that. Might be your antenna of some kind. There's 4 number 8s back here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then push these pins, little green right here. Push them, and they'll all come out. Push and then pull. Push and then pull. Boom, all unplugged. Give it a little nudge right here. It's got all the crud. There it goes. And I'll show you guys why it's somehow hard to come off. Is because all the dust and stuff that sits around here kind of creates a barrier, so it's harder for this thing to slide out. You do not need to take the taillight out to remove the bumper. Okay. Here's your little clip. You gotta be worried about this. Has to go in here first. So change your light bulbs as you need. They're very easy. Turn left, pops out, replace the bulb, put back in, and turn. Very simple. Lost my mic. Okay, now this is slide into here. Make sure you put that in first. You can see it. If you don't, it's going to stick out like this, and you're going to be fighting it like, why is not one going in? Careful, don't force it. Look how easy it should just slide in. Boom. I'll put the 4/8 back in there. 1, 2, 3, 4. I would recommend not tightening with the gun, which I'm going to do, but I've got. If you do it with the gun, if you got a high power one, it will snap everything. Because you're going in plastic. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And 4. Boom. Put this cover back up. And if you change light bulbs, test it out with somebody before you put it all back together. You might have to take it back apart. These were little tricky bastards on the other side. So I'm going to pull these out completely. It's like a expansion clip. When this thing gets pushed in, this thing opens up like this and it holds the panel in. Thing is, you got to decompress this really hard to put it back into. Ooh, look at that. And then boom. And then this guy going back in. You got these. Make sure that all slides in first, guys, or else you're gonna have a hard time. I'm not a hard time, it just won't line up. And then You see how easy that was? There was no bang, bang, bang. Don't do that. And then close that back up. And that is how you remove, replace, and reinstall tail light. Look forward from hearing you guys. Let me show you what the build looks like over here. Up in the front. Here's the damage. Not too bad. First things first, we're going to go ahead and replace the suspension. Get this thing where it drives. And then we'll put it on the frame rack. And we'll peel back the layers. I already peeled back this part of the hood. Because the fender's good. I don't want to open the hood, and usually this lip will bend the fender over. I don't know what we're going to have in parts wise yet, but as we go through it all, I'll walk you guys through it all of all the repairs we've done, and we'll go from there. Comment. It's going to be for sale when we're done with it. I'll give you guys some numbers on Monday or Tuesday, or next time you guys see the catch up on the video. What we paid for the car just came out of a tow yard, so this car is still clean title. So it's not from the auction, it's from a tow yard. So we're going to repair it, and we'll put it back up for sale when we're done with it. Again, comment, subscribe to us, guys. Give us more motivation to make more videos, and have a great weekend.